Let's move to another question which were required to find the value of n from this equation. So the first step is to write the equation given, which is this one, which is 0.4n plus 7 equal to 21.3. This is the first step, is to write the equation given. The second step is to subtract both sides by 7. So let's subtract both sides by 7. So we'll have 0.4n plus 7 minus 7 equal to 21.3 minus 7. So from here, from this side, 7 minus 7, so it will be 0. So we'll get 0.4n, only 0.4n will be remain, equal to 21.3 minus 7, so we'll get 14.3. So the following step is to divide both sides by 0.4 in order to get n. So let's divide both sides by 0.4. So from this side we'll get n, because 0.4 will be cancelled out with this 0.4, so it will be n equal to 14.3 over 0.4, which is equal to 143 over 4. So this one will be the answer, which is n equal to 143 over 4. Let's move to another question which were required to solve for y from this equation. So first step is to write the equation given, which is this one, y plus 1 divided by 2 equal to y negative 15 divided by 6 minus 0.1. This equation also can be written as this form, which is equal to y negative 15 out of 6 minus 0.1 out of 1. You can write this equation also in this form. So the following step is to find the LCM of 6 and 1. So let's find the LCM of 6 and 1. The LCM of number 6 and 1 is 6. So 6 divided by 6 equal to 1. 1 times y minus 15, so we'll get y minus 15 minus 6 divided by 1 is 6 times 0.1, so we'll get 6 times 0.1. So if we simplify it, so we'll get y plus 1 divided by 2 equal to y minus 15 minus 6 times 0.1, so we'll get 0.6 divided by 6. Let's simplify it more. So we'll have y plus 1 divided by 2 equal to y. So minus 15 minus 0.6, so we'll get minus 15.6 divided by 6. The following step is to move this term to the left hand side. So if we move it, so we'll have y plus 1 divided by 2. This term have positive sign, so if you move it to the left hand side, its sign will change, so we'll have negative y minus 15.6 divided by 6 equal to 0. So the following step is to find the LCM of number 6 and number 2. So the LCM of number 6 and 2 is 6. So 6 divided by 2 equal to 3. 3 times y plus 1 will get 3 out of y plus 1 minus 6 divided by 6 equal to 1. 1 times y minus 15.6, so we'll get y minus 15.6 is equal to 0. So the following step is to remove the brackets. So let's move the brackets. So 3 times y, so we'll get 3y plus 3 times 1 equal to 3 minus y plus 15.6 whole divided by 6 equal to 0. So now the following step is to group together the like terms. For example, let's group together this term and this term, also this term and this term. So we will have 3y minus y plus 3 plus 15.6 divided by 6 equal to 0. For if you subtract 3y by y, so we'll get 2y. We'll get 2y plus 2y plus 3 plus 15.6, so we'll get 18.6 whole divided by 6 equal to 0. So the following step is to multiply both sides by 6. Let's multiply both sides by 6. So if you multiply both sides by 6, so we'll get 2y plus 18.6 equal to 0. So the following step is to subtract both sides by 18.6. So if you subtract both sides by 18.6, so we'll get 2y plus 18.6 minus 18.6 equal to 0 minus 18.6. So we'll get 2y, because 18.6 minus 18.6 equal to 0, so it will remain only 2y, which is equal to minus 18.6. So now let's divide both sides by 2. So if you divide both sides by 2, so we'll get y equal to negative 18.6 divided by 2, which is equal to 186 out of 20. So this one will be the answer, which is y equal to 186 out of 20.